Hi, welcome to channel KK Art Universe. Today we're gonna create DIY wall hanging using bamboo stick. Let's go. Take a paper, scale, bamboo sticks, fevicol, black color paint. First draw a line. We're gonna make deer. Draw one by one. Join all corners. Eyes, ear, now take bamboo stick, place it on top, cut it, place one by one, then add fevicol, join all corners. You can use hot glue. Take another cardboard, cut eyes and mouth. Now we're going to draw deer horn. Make it two, cut it, then place it on top. Apply fevicol, then add color. Now cut excess. Final output is ready. Amazing deal wall hanging using bamboo stick. Thank you for watching KK Art Universe. Do like, share and subscribe. Follow me for regular artwork.